Hey, hi Bengaluru, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Reviriswar. So this is a part 2 video of QSA amplifier rectification. So as I in previous video I have informed you about the I have visited for a theater, commercial theater for rectification. So this is now nearly around 1:30 I think. So movie is over. So this is what the backside of the movie. Like I'm from the projection area. So movie is over. So I have swapped the amplifier. This is my amplifier as giving as temporary basis. So this is amplifier which is having a fault with crackling sound and it's going to the clip mode. So this is the main speaker of main right speaker. So this is the issue with like a clip is activated. So we have taken this amplifier for a service and this we have given. So this is a part 2 video of swapping of the amplifier. I don't have a GoPro and like a live video options and all, like while doing a replacement and all to give a video and all. So as my best I'm giving. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. And you can see here, this is what the projector console. So now, as I said, this is a Barco DP2K. Now I will show you the test pattern. So now it's in a pink noise. So GDC server, pink noise I'm playing. So now we will get there everything the display, and this is what the test pink noise. In every receiver we will do the test on. So same like that you can see there. So now the left channel is showing. So here also you can see in the CP750 the right channel. Left channel is showing. Now there is a center channel. So here also you can center. This is the center amplifier. This is a left, center, and this is a right. So in earlier this light is getting lit because of the issue with the amplifier. So now we have changed it. There is no clip here. So this is right channel. So you can see there is a right. So according the channel wise it will give the test tone and all. So this is from the server itself. So same as our AV receiver, we will call in a theater segment we will call pink noise. So you can see here right, and same according that the channel wise it will show the complete the layout of the testing speakers and all. So this is from the Dolby itself. So this is not like our AV receiver and all. This is from the Dolby itself. This is a pattern Dolby thing and all. Now it's working in a back surround, means like here. So here you will get its speakers. So again it will shift to there. Like that it will show all speakers are working or not, like that. So in same like that it will show the amplifier also. So thank you everyone. So I hope you got small information from my side. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. Keep supporting our YouTube channel for more videos on theater equipments repair and theater thing and all. So thank you everyone. Bye.